Hello everyone, thank you for checking out your Mr. Quik weather update. We do have very nice weather continuing here. Our Tuesday is going to bring a good amount of sunshine, and it's actually going to feel pretty nice as the humidity levels will stay comfortable. So we'll start the day with temperatures in the low 60s, we'll end the day with temperatures in the upper 80s, so it's going to warm up pretty quickly, but at least the humidity remains low enough that it won't feel too bad. I think you can get outside and get stuff done without sweating too much. As we look at the forecast, again, tomorrow's sunny and dry. No weather concerns there. Wednesdays and into Thursday will be our really only chance for rain this week. As a cold front comes through, it does bring a chance for a few storms, could bring some gusty winds Wednesday night, but the rain will be in and out pretty quickly. There could be a spotty shower chance Thursday, but mainly dry, partly cloudy, but cooler conditions. Highs Thursday will drop to the lower 80s after our 90-degree day on Wednesday, but the cool down will not last too long. As you can see here, temperatures will pretty quickly respond back to near 90 as we go through the weekend, and a little heat wave coming our way perhaps next week, at least to start the week, and see we do favor a dry forecast for the most part. There's only a slight chance of a storm I have in there for Sunday, but otherwise we're going to keep it pretty dry. It's about the driest forecast we have had so far this summer. We're not expecting a whole lot of rain in this forecast this week, so definitely get out and enjoy it here. Thanks for checking out your forecast. Hope you have a good day.